Hello everybody and welcome back for another video. Thank you for those that have actually been consistent and watching my videos and also watching at least half of it. I already know how much time you guys watch and how much time you guys don't watch. So hopefully y'all watched the whole entire video this time. But we got the carbon mirrors. Scratch that. We got the carbon fiber mirror caps. Not the mirrors, but the caps. And I'm excited too because it's about time. I had this mod for about like 3 weeks now. I just gotta make videos before I install things, alright? So, now is the day. Now I'm freaking stoked too. Okay, let me show you exactly what we're actually gonna be installing. Look at these beautiful. Damn, you can't really see it, it's too dark. Hold on, give me 1 second. Look at these carbon fiber mirror caps though. So damn good. Shout out to this brand right here. They made some good quality stuff. Look at these, man. I'm just so excited because this is going to be converted into carbon fiber. The roof is already carbon fiber as it is. That's from stock. We got that shark fin carbon fiber. We got our duck. Oh, we got our spoiler carbon fiber. Not duck spoiler, but we got our spoiler. And also, I have a. I might, who knows? I might spend a little extra money by, the little diffuser that's carbon fiber. Also the front lip too, but nonetheless, as you can also tell, carbon fiber option. So every single trim in the car is carbon fiber, besides the ones that didn't come carbon fiber, like this damn center console, and also this damn motherfucking radio. But I mean, it is what it is. You know what? We might buy a little bit more carbon fiber interior parts, to be honest, just to make a little poppy action going on. But nonetheless, so we're going to be installing these. So it's going to be really, really simple. Trust. Just wipe down the surface. I used rubbing alcohol with a MIRRIOR paper towel. And just in case, when you do buy some, if they don't come with actual double-sided tape, you need to install some yourself. I was already prepared, but the company itself, they provided some double-sided tape, which I was actually really happy. So they already know that I don't need to do this. And I can just slap them on. So that's what we're going to do today. I can't wait. And also, I'm going to let you know, to be honest, if it's going to be worth it or not, especially the price. And I'll let you know the price too. And just a little, I'm not going to spoil nothing. I'm just going to test fit it. Make sure that I put it on right and know exactly how. Because we got to make sure it's snug fit all around, because there's double-sided tape that needs to be attached and grabbing the mirror cap. Okay, for the most part, that's gonna be it. So now, after we test fitted it, let's remove the double-sided tape carefully though, because you do not want to remove it and have to reapply it. So if you see drops of actual sweat on the camera, I'm very sorry about that. Very disgusting, I know. It's so hot right here in the Central Valley. It's so ridiculous. And this is extremely hot in the garage. There's no AC in the garage, so I'm over here sweating like a pig. It's not the best look for me because you all got to see my ugly ass face dripping in sweat. So it's not ideal, especially when I'm trying to look good for the camera. So now we got to be careful now, okay? Because it's basically do or die now. You don't get I don't think you get a second chance unless you don't really install it properly. Oh shit. This is okay. Okay, make sure you look all around when you install it. Make sure, remember, there was a strip right here down the middle, so we got to make sure we push down and that gets attached. And also on top of that, by any chance, if you might have a heat gun, I will advise that you bring it out, because we're going to be heating up the double-sided tape in order for it to melt and take shape. I know how to melt the damn thing too though, so be careful. Then after you've done that, apply pressure all around to make sure it's nice and tucked. But not nice and tucked, but nice and flush. Remember, push it in. And there you go. First one installed. So you do the same thing to the other one. Same process, same everything, right? So now, my first thoughts from this angle, it looks freaking beautiful. Look at that shine, just look at that weave. But, what I did notice, so, if you don't have a black car, you're gonna be able to see your actual color. Right here, if it focuses. So that's the only downside to this modification. But I mean, you know what? From this angle, looks beautiful. But from this side, you see that blue strip, so that sucks. No lie. But nonetheless, though, it looks freaking magnificent, though. And there you have it. Both sides are installed. I want to say amazing. And now, let's talk price and whether it was worth it. In all honesty, for the price that I paid for these, because I was like patient and I seen like a lot of them, especially some that were like fake carbon fiber, and I almost pulled the trigger on those because I was not finding like a good real carbon fiber price. But these, made in the US too, I got these for $79.99. I got them on a deal when they were actually going on. I believe they only had like 3 to 2 left, and I copped them. So I'm thinking like maybe they just wanted to get rid of them, you know, and get something else. But nonetheless, shit, it happened for a reason. I'm glad. But the price is good. Like, I'm talking about really good compared to like the $100 and something that, you know, everybody else is trying to, like, you know, sell them for. So I was like kind of iffy on that. Like, am I really trying to spend that much money on something like that? And I was like, who knows? But with this $79.99 deal, I was like, you know what? I got a cop. And are they worth it? From this angle, they're not. From this angle, they are. But yet again, let's go back to this angle. I can live with something like this. I really can. Like, no biggie. It is what it is, you know. It's fine. I'm okay with it. And in all honesty, I rate them, you know, a 9 out of 10. Just because this little side right here, this little strip. So if you do have a black car, I'll give you props, because you're not going to be able to look at that. Or actually, like, identify it, actually. But my baby's coming along. We got a lot of carbon fiber parts on her. Sheesh. This weave, though, man. I'm in love with this weave. Sheesh. And I made sure to get the real carbon, too. This is real. Of course, the roof is real because it's freaking, you know, OEM. And this one as well is real, too. Thank goodness. Also, same weave as well. Look at this. So, I gotta take these off, man, because if I get pulled over and cops see that, they're gonna know I'm up to no good, or I was up to no good, and it's gonna be really tough to actually get away. Look at this. Actually, the same weave, actually. Amazing. Really amazing. Sheesh. Just look at this beauty. She's coming along. So overall, I am happy with the purchase, and I do recommend that all of you get those carbon fiber or gloss black or whatever color you like to cover the caps and just make it look that much better. And also, I also got to make sure that I do those other videos because I have quite a bit of parts that I need to install, but I'm not because I haven't made the video yet or even started it. So I'm really slacking on that. So hopefully I can, you know, dump out more videos and finally install those parts that I had some parts for months. I'm talking about months I got to install. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please leave a comment. Hit the like button too. Until next time.